Hey guys, what's going on? It's Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. I'm here to show one thing that is new, but in general, I'm going to talk about torpedo kegs today, just real quick to sort of go over this, what makes these different, and why would you want one of these guys. First things first, you'll notice with a torpedo keg, no rubber on the top and bottom. That's the main difference that we'll find from a standard Cornelius keg, but they do that for a reason. You can stack them. And then once they're stacked, you'll see here we have plenty of room between the top and the bottom to still get a connector in if we want to use both these at the same time. So that's a really cool feature if you have a taller refrigerator or you split batches into smaller kegs like this. And we're talking about smaller kegs, 6 liter, this one's 10 liter, about 1.5 gallons, about 2.5 gallons. So perfect for splitting a half-size batch, or you're going camping or something and you want all of the features of a keg in a much smaller container. That's your Huckleberry right there. Another big difference. So these two guys are actually both 5 gallons. This is the standard, this is the slim line. I'll pull them up, try to get them in line so you can see, but the slim is a 3/4 of an inch less wide than the standard ones. Same volume. If you have a kegerator that's a little tight, you might want to invest in these guys and they'll give you a lot more room all the way around. So see, there's a height difference for that, but usually you have more height this way also. That's awesome, really cool feature if you're just a little short inside your refrigerator and you want to get one more keg in there. Part of the reason that I wanted to film today and talk about these guys is that they have just released a 6-gallon ball-out keg. So why would you want a 6-gallon keg? Maybe you do one of our cider kits or wine kits and you want to put a whole batch into a keg, 6 gallons ready to go. Other reason, if you like to ferment under pressure or if you've tried fermenting in a keg, it gets a little frustrating because you can't really do a 5-gallon batch in a 5-gallon keg. You're going to lose at least 1/2 gallon, blow off, headspace, all that. But the 6-gallon, you do a 5-gallon batch, now you've got a whole gallon of headspace in here. You can ferment the entire beer inside your corny, set up a little blow off with a connector, and then when you're finished, transfer this beer into a clean keg. I really love that feature. I think it's awesome, and we just started carrying these just last week. If you're looking for a slightly bigger ball lock keg, you like fermenting in kegs, you like doing our cider kits, check this out. So I hope that was a little informative. We've got a few of these on hand right now. You can order more, they're in stock. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great week.